Hey guys, so today's video is titled The Best Preparation Material for the Common Admission Test or CAT 2020, right? Before I start off with the video, I want to let you know that I have made a Telegram group, right? Again, let me introduce myself. My name is D. Yugesh Sai Reddy. I got 99.25 percentile, which is 99 plus, right? 99.25 percentile in CAT 2019. I got 97.5 plus in each section of the CAT exam, and right, so if you want to ask me any doubt related to CAT preparation or how to which are the best books for CAT or how to analyze mock tests, any question you have, I have put the links to a Telegram group in the description below, right? So I'm starting my own Telegram group, so go join the group, ask me any doubt you have, it's free. I'm just a student like you, I will give you genuine advice. So yeah, go join the group. The link's in the description below. It's a Telegram group. Okay, so now let's start off with the video. What is the best preparation material for CAT? Right? I have made a list of 7 material, and if you use these materials properly, this is more than enough. You do not need anything extra, or apart from this, you do not need any extra material, extra coaching. These materials are sufficient for you to study throughout the year for the CAT 2020 exam. Okay, so let's start off with the list. The first resource that I would suggest all of you use is time or IMS material. Now, why do I always suggest that you use either time or IMS material? So as you know, time and IMS are coaching centers, and they are the largest coaching centers for the common admission test, right? So for CAT, these coaching centers are the most well known, and the material they have is very comprehensive and has all types of questions, right? So these coaching centers have been in the industry for more than 10 plus years, and they know the kinds of questions that are usually asked in CAT. So they will give you those type of questions to allow you to practice, and will also teach you the required concepts. So I personally use time material, and I also have IMS material which I borrowed from a friend, and I can tell you that both of them are almost the same, and I think both of them will definitely help you in preparing for CAT, right? So I would suggest that you either borrow or you go to a coaching center of time or IMS and try to buy a set of books, right? So the second resource I would recommend you to purchase is Arun Sharma, right? So Arun Sharma is basically a well-known book for CAT preparation, right? It's a huge book, but the thing about Arun Sharma is you should use it only for revision and practice, right? You should not use Arun Sharma for studying the concepts. You can use the time or IMS material to study the concepts and whatever coaching center you're going to, but Arun Sharma is specifically used for practice. In the book they have 3 sections called level of difficulty 1, level of difficulty 2 and level of difficulty 3, right? So when they split it into 3 sections, it is very good for practice, and there are many RCs, many LRDA sets, many quant sets, and there's a book for each section, right? So this should be only used for practice. And yeah, Arun Sharma. And also I have seen on many online groups, you don't have to purchase the book. On online groups I've seen that they're sending around the ebook version or the soft copy version of the book. So ask on the group, or the Telegram group I've made, please do ask for the soft copy of the book, and I think someone might post it there, right? So moving on to the next thing, mock tests, AIMCAT, SimCAT and Khan Academy, right? Why do I tell you that mock tests are a good study material, right? So basically when you write a mock test, you come across many questions that you do not know or that you have made a mistake in, and so mock test acts like a question bank where you can pick and choose the questions that you are good at, and the questions you are not good at, you can recognize what they are, recognize what type of questions they are, and increase start solving more questions in that type. So mock tests are a huge resource, and if you use this resource properly, I think 50% of your work is done, right? So if you're taking mock tests and analyzing mock tests, 50% of your preparation is done right there, right? The rest 50 is up to you, self-study, practicing questions. using time or IMS material, or use practicing from different sources. That is up to you. But mock test is a must. The next study material is the Hindu and the Mint, right? So why do I say the Hindu and the Mint? The Hindu, as you know, is a newspaper. The Mint also is a business daily. So these two papers are, the articles in these papers are very well written, right? The level of English is a little bit higher than average, and it allows you to understand what good writing is like, right? So it's very well structured, the writing, and once you read the editorials in these papers, you get an idea about how to what information to assimilate from the comprehension, and you also get to understand what your speed is, right? So say for example, you can read a 2-paragraph RC in say 3 minutes, right? So how do you increase the speed of reading? So for that you can use the newspapers like Hindu or the Mint to improve your reading speed, right? And also it helps a lot in RC because it also helps, as I've already stated, it helps you collect the information, and it increases your information retention capacity, right? So that's why people, any coaching center you go to will suggest that to improve in RC, please start reading editorials in newspapers like Hindu or the Mint, right? So the next one, past year CAT papers, right? So the best part about past year CAT papers is they are free, right? They're a free resource. You can find it online on any website. And why are these papers important? You get to, when you solve these papers, you get to realize the level of difficulty of questions, and also the type of questions that are usually asked in the CAT exam. For example, you can see the difference in the level of difficulty for the VARC section from 2018 to 2019, right? So people say that the LRDI section in 2017 was the most difficult. The quantitative aptitude section in 2018 was hard, and the verbal ability section in 2009, verbal ability or reading comprehension section in 2019 was the hardest. So when you solve these papers, you will get an understanding of the type of questions asked and the level of difficulty up to which the questions can reach, right? So it is very important for you to solve the past year's papers, and as I've already told in the previous video, these past year papers are free. You can find it anywhere online, and I will include the links for the past year's papers in the description below. Now, error log, right? Error log self-made. So what is an error log? So say that you wrote a mock test and you answered the test, you're done with the test, you got your marks, and now you can analyze the test. When you're analyzing the test, you see that you're getting a certain type of question wrong, or you couldn't answer a certain type of questions which utilize a certain concept, right? So what do? You note down these questions in a book that you maintain called the error log, right? So as and when the error log keeps growing and you keep writing new and new questions, this becomes a good source for revision for you in the future, right? So I have maintained my own error log personally, and this helped me reach 99 plus percentile. And if you are interested in the soft copy of my error log, do join the Telegram group. I will be posting the error log soon there, right? So I will be posting all the quant questions I made mistakes in, and what the types of questions are and how you can practice those questions. I'll be doing that in the Telegram group, so make sure to join the group. The last one is the formula sheet, right? So you again have to make a formula sheet, and this formula sheet will have the formulas of all the quant chapters, right? So say logarithms, they have a certain set of formulas. You have to note that down in a book, and you have to make sure that you keep revising from the book again and again, right? So if again you are interested in looking at my formula sheet, the one I made for CAT preparation 2019, do join the Telegram group, and once there are a certain number of people on the group, like say around 10 to 20, then I will post the soft copy of my formula sheets, right? So other than that, these are the self preparation, the best preparation material I have used, and which has helped me a lot. So again, if you think this is helpful, do subscribe to the channel and share the video, and also please join the Telegram group, right? So if you have any doubts, many students who want to ask me doubts, they email me, and through email it takes a little more time to answer their queries. And also there are many people who ask it in the comments, so certain comments I do miss from time to time. So if you want your queries answered, join the Telegram group, share the link with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, right? So thanks.